When overtaking, never trust that the driver ahead will stay in their lane. Always leave yourself a bit of space and watch for small signs. A wheel turn, the car drifting toward the line, or the driver's head movement. Remember, anticipation is the best defense on the road. Moments like this are small reminders. Most drivers don't see us until it's almost too late. That's why I always keep my escape line ready. Either a bit of space to the side or the breakers covered. Even if you have the right of way, ride as if they don't see you. Tip: anticipate, react early, and stay calm. After the roundabout, this car signals left, probably looking for a parking spot. I slow down and pass carefully from the left, watching the driver's head, mirrors, and the front wheel. Little movements like that often tell you what's coming. Tip: don't trust the blinker. Read the driver. Out there in the village, this van is half on the road, front wheels turned toward the center. I move to the left lane to pass, but keep my eyes on its mirror, front wheel, and what's in front of it. Maybe a person, maybe an animal. Tip: parked vehicles can move any second. Read the signals before you pass. Here I'm just spending a few minutes in a parking lot, practicing slow maneuvers. It's not exciting, but this is what builds real control and confidence on the road. Whenever you get the chance, take a few turns, a few stops, keep those skills sharp. Tip: practice when it's easy, so control feels natural when it's not. In the roundabout, this car cuts in slightly, already halfway into my lane. There's traffic ahead, and he seems impatient, so I just let him pass first. Sometimes it's better to give space and take 1 second longer than to become part of someone else's mistake. Filtering through traffic here. I catch up to another rider who's unsure about moving forward. I wait a moment, make sure he sees me in his mirror, and only then continue. It's not a race. We all share the same tight space out here. Letting the bus merge here. He's got the right of way when leaving the stop. And honestly, 50 people on that bus have more reason to move than just me alone. Middle lane's packed, and this is where people have to jump out last second to turn right. I'm watching those front wheels. They never lie. Mid-turn lane change, no signal. Expected it, slow down early. Predicting others saves way more than reacting. Police lights on, no siren. I knew something unpredictable might follow. Swerved in, I slowed early. Anticipation keeps you safe. I planned to switch the right lane here, but I saw a car waiting to merge. I held my lane and watched him first. No rush. I changed the lane smoothly, transitioning behind the lane of that vehicle. Truck reversing. Not sure he saw me. I waited. Trucks moved those first few meters quicker than you'd expected. Give the bus space to merge. Got a hazard light, thank you. Respect brings respect. Approaching this sharp right turn, I notice a truck coming toward me and a sharp left street right behind him with a stop sign. Always check twice, especially around large vehicles and hidden intersections. Approaching a sharp right turn with no direct visibility, I use the helper mirror while keeping my head upright and the bike counterbalanced. This lets me see around the corner, houses, driveways, maybe someone about to pull out, without compromising my lean. On this open road, I keep to the left lane. There's no traffic, but lots of potential hazards on the right. Parking lots, stacked objects, washing stations, people or cars could appear at any moment. Sure enough, a car pulls out from one of those spots. Staying left gave me extra visibility and reaction time. Car on the left signals right as I'm beside it. I shift to the right of my lane and watch carefully. The driver waves me to go and I accelerate clear. Visibility and timing make all the difference. 50 people on that bus, just me on the bike. I stop and give them space. Simple respect keeps us all moving. At the toll, hazards on for visibility. I keep checking mirrors while taking off my gloves and grabbing my wallet. Even at a stop, stay alert. Tired drivers make mistakes. Car ahead blocks the right lane. I'm beside another vehicle, so I ease off. Expected him to move into my lane, and he almost did. A bit of patience, and I'm through safely. Expect drivers to react late. Your patience creates your safety margin. Car in the middle signals right. I flash and honk so he knows I'm here. Better to communicate early and avoid getting boxed in. He moves ahead safely. No surprises. Use light and sound to be noticed. Visibility prevents close calls. The turn to the grocery store is right after the roundabout, so close calls are very possible. Expecting drivers to cut through in the shortest possible path is what keeps us prepared and safe.